Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Kazworks Woodworking. It's been another fantastic weekend in the shop. My wife and I finished up the memorial bench. That'll be exciting to reveal. I'm not quite sure if that video will come out before or after this update, but you will get to see that. That'll be nice. I spent the rest of the weekend, because I finished up this morning, so actually the rest of the day I finished doing a little bit of organization, kind of move some things around. You know, it seems to be a normal thing, just like in your house, moving furniture, constantly moving tools and stuff around, trying to get the right spot as you live in a particular area with stuff. You know, get used to it for a while, then think, okay, there's a better way of doing this. So I moved some things around. I moved my drill press. I moved some of the cabinets associated with it, just to have a better flow with things. I look forward to talking to you again. Have a great week.